Imagine waking up to 5 one-star reviews from people you've never met or done business with, and then getting a message that says, pay us or they stay. This is happening right now to business owners on Google. It's not a rumor, it's real extortion. But here's the good news. Google just admitted it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to stop it before it destroys your reputation.
Welcome to Reviewly.ai, the channel where we help business owners take control of their online reputation. We uncover real threats and hidden opportunities in the world of online reviews, from fake review scams and reputation blackmail to proven strategies that boost your trust and visibility. If you run a local business, agency, or online brand, this channel is your toolkit for staying protected, getting more positive reviews, and turning reputation into real growth. So if you're serious about safeguarding your credibility and learning how to use reviews to your advantage, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because every video here is designed to keep your business one step ahead.
Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a new kind of digital blackmail that's hitting small businesses and local agencies everywhere. Fake review extortion. I'm going to walk you through what Google just revealed, how these scams work, and the exact playbook to protect yourself before the damage spreads. I'll show you how to set up text alerts and warn yourself the moment fake reviews appear. They're leaving fake reviews and demanding money to delete them. It's not a glitch, not a bad customer, it's a coordinated scam. Scammers drop waves of 1- and 2-star reviews to tank your Google rating. Then they reach out, demanding cash or gift cards to make it all go away. It's digital blackmail, and it can erase your reputation overnight. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot it, report it, and how software tools can protect your business before it's too late. Google just confirmed it. Review extortion scams are serious policy violations. Here's what they said. These scams involve sudden spikes of 1- and 2-star reviews, followed by demands for money or services to remove them. Their systems catch most fraud, but not every attack gets stopped. So Google's message is clear. Stay vigilant and act fast. Every extortion scam follows the same rhythm. First, a sudden flood of low-star reviews all at once. Then you notice the names, no real customers, just random profiles. Next comes the demand. Pay us or the reviews stay. And finally, panic. Business owners rush to reply or pay, and that's where scammers win. The key is early recognition. Spot it fast, and you stay in control. When this happens, your calm is your weapon. Don't panic, don't pay, don't reply. Google warns, never engage, never negotiate, never try to handle it yourself. The only thing you should do immediately, document everything. Screenshots, messages, timestamps. Your silence and evidence are stronger than any response. So here's what to do instead. Google has a specific process called the Merchant Extortion Report Form. Here's the playbook. Collect your proof, go to the form, attach screenshots of communication, and describe what happened. Then Google's trust and safety team investigates, removes the fake reviews, and bans the accounts responsible. It's not emotional, it's procedural, and it works. Google acts on evidence, not emotion. That means screenshots of every message, timestamps of every review, contact info for the scammers, and direct links to your Google business profile. Organize in all-in-one folder labeled extortion evidence. That's your ammo when you file the report. If it's documented, it's defensible. If it's emotional, it's ignored. This is exactly why we've built our programs. The moment a suspicious review hits your Google business profile, our software instantly detects it and sends you a text message directly as the business owner or manager. So there's no waiting for emails, no dashboard delays, just immediate awareness. That single text alert can save your business's reputation and overall credibility, because when you know first, you win. Fake reviews are the new digital blackmail, but only if you're unprepared. Now you know how to spot them, report them, and even stop them dead in their tracks. Want to see what your review snapshot looks like? And if you have any fake reviews on your business's profile, let our team know, and we'll run a personalized scan for your business and give you an overall review snapshot of what customers are saying about you right now.